Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today this video I will teach you how you can close ADCB bank account. Recently ADCB launched, they will charge 50 dirhams from all accounts if less than balance 3000. You need to maintain 3000 balance. If you not maintain a 3000 balance, then they will deduct 15 dirhams from your accounts and they will charge every month. Then most people need to close his account. Today this video I will teach you step by step how you can close ADCB bank account from ADCB bank mobile application. You need to watch this video complete. This video I will tell you everything from starting to ending. Before start this video, if you are new in my channel, my name is Rauf and you are watching Rauf Kashmiri official. If you new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You never miss updates on this channel. And if you want to talk to me, you have any question, any problem regarding banks, regarding UAE visas, regarding any problem UAE, you can message me in Instagram. Here I will attach my Instagram profile screenshot and description. Also you get Instagram link, my Instagram profile link. You can follow me there and message me and share with me your problems. So friends, here I will open my mobile screen. First of all, you need to open your ADCB mobile bank application. When you open, you should come like this. You need to click here login. When you log in your ADCB mobile application, you come like this interface. Then you need to click here scroll up. When you scroll up, you get here accounts option. Then here your accounts come. If you have 2 accounts, here will be show 2 accounts. If you have 3 accounts, here will be show 3 accounts. If you have 1 account, here will be show 1 account. Here you need to see some things. First of all, your account balance must be 00. Not will be minus, not will be more. If you have minus, you need to pay here and make here 00. If you have more balance like 100, 200, you need to transfer somewhere, yeah, you need to withdraw, you need to use somewhere, then you come here 00. When have here 00, you just need to click here. When you click here, you come this page. Here will be one option, service request. You just need to click here and here will become request account closer. Just need to click this one. When you click here, here will become reason. You need to select for what reason you need to close your account. Here will be reason, bank charge of your rates, closure for business company leaving the UAE, not achievable for lending, credit cards, other quality of service. You can select anyone from here. When you select here reason, then you will come here your accounts. Which one account you need to close, just click here check mark. I want to close this one account, I will be check mark here and you just need to click here. I have read, just need to click here and here will become account closure terms and conditions. You just need to click here agree and continue. If you want to read, you can read this one also. After that you click here agree and continue. After that here will become option submit. You just need to click here submit. After that you come this page. Here you need to review one time. Just review which one account you want to close, that one is selected here. After that you click here confirm. When you click confirm, then after that ADCB bank send you one time OTP password in your registered mobile number. If you lost your registered mobile number, you can click here email and they will send you OTP password to your email. Then after that you can write here email, your OTP password is here. When you write your OTP password, then you have been submitted request. Here will become success. Your account closure request has been received. This request will be reviewed and updated within 5 to 7 working days. After that your request will be submitted. You need to wait 5 to 7 days. Like this you can close your ADCB bank account. After that, when your account is closed, you get email and you get SMS in your registered mobile number. Your account will be closed. Like this you can close your ADCB bank account. I hope you will be understand. If you have any question, you can comments and send me message in my Instagram. I will reply to your message and your comments. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You get more videos in English language. Thank you.